Hello and welcome to the E-Blox virtual room. My name is Jim Seymour. I'm one of the co-founders of E-Blox, and in this session I'm going to show you how easy it is to add our PowerBlocks technology to your brick structure and Lego sets and add lights to them without any wires. In particular, I'm going to use our PowerBlocks starter set and add lights to the Lego City Monster Truck. That's actual product number 60251, Lego City Monster Truck. You can see the monster truck is built up here, and we are going to use our PowerBlocks parts to add lights to it. Now before I do that, I'm just going to give you a quick intro to the PowerBlocks technology. With PowerBlocks, you get a battery module like this. A 9-volt battery goes in there, and those terminals are connected to the battery. You get parts like this that have little LEDs in them. They're designed so when they go across there, they light up. And then you get parts like this that are plated in tin. That's why they're shiny, but tin makes them conductive. So they can carry the power from those battery terminals to wherever you want to put your LED or put more LEDs. Some of them flash, some of them change colors, like the one there. And so this is the basic technology where you build circuits with your parts, no wires, and make the lights come on. And now the whole key is to take these parts and integrate them into your brick sets. So I'm going to show you how we do that with the Lego City Monster Truck. Here's the monster truck. And I'm going to bring in these parts. These are all parts I have here from our PowerBlocks starter set. Now we need to start taking it apart a little bit in order to add our components, our PowerBlocks components into it. And so the battery module is going to go in here and add some height to the monster truck, so we don't really need all of these parts in the middle. Okay, we'll keep the steering wheel though, that'll still go in there. We'll take these apart for now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to want these parts to go in here, and these LEDs, I have these set up with some 1x3s and 1x2s connecting these LEDs together, that 1x3 and 1x2 plates, and it's going to connect to these plated parts, these 1x8 bricks. You can see these are kind of creating a circuit because I'm going to put my battery in there. That's going to provide power over here, but I want lights in both the front and the back. So then I'm going to put the lights in the front. These are connected to some 1x2s and some 1x4s. And so I'm going to put those in the front here. Just got to make sure everything's connected so that they make the circuits. So you can see I created sort of like a loop there so that now when I put the battery module right in the middle, look at that, it makes it all light up. It's providing power to these LEDs right by a loop there, but then there's also a loop that comes back through here. So that's the two different circuits lighting up the different LEDs. Now we just got to put this back on top. Okay. So with this, we can put this right up there. All right, and then this part, we'll take the top off for now, can go right in here. We can put the sides on, okay, just like that. Can put the steering wheel back in there, put our little dude in there, okay. And then the cover right back. Oops, the steering wheel needs to be back one for the cover to go on. There we go. Dude in there. I think I might have turned it off too while I was doing that. There we go. Okay, now the cover can go on. And there you go. Now you have your light up monster truck. See how easy that was? And look how cool it is with those lights on it. That is just awesome. Now I'll show you a few other examples. We don't have the time to go through all of it, but here is the Harry Potter night bus. And with this you can open the door and we can turn it on. I've already pre-built it, but you can see how easy it was to add all the lights to the Harry Potter night bus brick set. That's really cool looking. And then finally, another big build that we did was we took a Minecraft set, okay? And you can see how we can add a whole bunch of circuits to add lights all over the place in the Minecraft set. The key really with E-Blox is because of the plated parts being conductive, there's no need for wires. So it makes it really easy to just integrate E-Blox into any brick set and make it come to life with lights, as you see here. So I hope you enjoyed this session. That's an example of how much fun you can have integrating lights into your brick sets. Do check us out at www.myeblox.com and don't miss out on all the fun with E-Blox learning and fun.